we will be making mint quinoa pulao. Ingredients: 1 cup of quinoa, washed 2 to 3 times, and the other ingredients are listed here. First, let us grind the masala. For that, take a handful of washed mint leaves, green chilies, and garlic. It is optional. Jeera, coriander seeds, pepper, and ginger. Grind it without adding any water to a coarse paste like this. It's not really required to add water while grinding. If needed, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. We can use any seasonal vegetables. In this recipe, I am using 10 green beans, wash and cut as shown here. 1 small carrot, wash and peel the skin and cut as shown. 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen peas. 1 small onion, chopped, it's optional. 1 small potato, cut into small cubes and put it in the water. For seasoning ingredients listed here. Now to make the pulao, heat the oil in a pressure cooker on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add jeera. After few seconds, add the masala paste. Fry it until the raw smell disappears. Or if you have used water to grind the paste, you have to fry it until the water disappears and you can see the oil oozing out from this masala. At this point, you have to add the chopped onions. Sprinkle little salt and then fry it for 30 seconds. And then we are going to add all the vegetables. Peas, carrots, green beans and potatoes. Discard the water and add only the potatoes. Add turmeric powder and mix it well. Now add the washed quinoa. Mix it well. Add water. Add little water to the mixer jar and add that as well. Add remaining salt and mix it well. And let it boil on medium heat. Now it started to boil. Mix it once again and cover the lid and turn off the heat after 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released from this pressure cooker, open the lid and let it cool for another 5 minutes. Then gently mix this pulao and the mint quinoa pulao is ready. Then keep it aside for 10 to 20 minutes and then serve. You can serve with raita or you can eat as it is. This mint pulao is gluten-free and vegan and very easy to make lunchbox recipe. I hope you enjoy making this mint quinoa pulao. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.